Giving a little behind the scenes at FSPA in Fort Myers, 2023. We are ACG. We're master distributors of the ATEC teller cash recyclers, which we have new product. This is the LTA 100 that is designed for a small footprint, 3 cassette unit, whether it be retail, FI, but this is close to being released, and we're exhibiting it here for the first time. We have also brought with us our ACES currency discriminator, which I'm learning more about, but this is a very robust, well-built, easy to use, user-friendly currency discriminator that has a customer-facing display. And then we also have our LTA 380 flagship unit, topping class, one of the fastest, baddest TCRs on the market, 6 cassette unit with the feature that stands out the most being the fully secure unattended self-audit, meaning the audit can be performed with no inventory being exposed outside the safe.